Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a wish list on Amazon. Firstly, open the Amazon app on your cell phone. Now go to your profile. Now go to your list. Once you're in the list section, you will see your wish list. Matter of fact, let me create a new one. I'm going to call it a wish list. And here you go. I finally created a wish list. Now I'm just going to add products in it. Just select a product that you like and open the product page. Now on the product page, you will see the option of add to list. Just add it to a list and it will be saved to your wish list. You can also add a product to your wish list by tapping on the heart icon. And there you go. Now you finally know how to make a wish list and add products to it. Easy, right? If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.